Hey guys, today I'm proud to present to you the 2009 Audi R8 in Phantom Black Pearl. This particular model comes with a 4.2-liter V8 engine that pushes out 420 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. It also comes with the premium package, which includes Audi front and rear parking system with rear view camera, Audi hill assist, auto dimming, heated folding exterior mirrors, as well as a storage package. The Audi R8 is a super sport car that was exclusively designed and manufactured by Audi AG of Germany. It was designed and manufactured by the high-performance private division of the company. It is a mid-engine sport car that offers seating for two and is based highly on the Lamborghini Gallardo platform. The fundamental construction of the R8 is based on the Audi space frame and uses aluminum monocoque, which is built using space frame principle. The Audi R8 is very slick and distinctively aggressive. It also comes loaded with standard luxurious features, some of which include 19-inch wheels that are stacked in with front and rear 4-link suspension with adaptive damping shocks that can be electronically controlled for a sportier ride with excellent handling or a comfortable cruise in any weather. Bi-xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as many other features. Now, even though it is a 2009 model, the front still offers a very futuristic look and an aggressive stance. As you can see, the first thing you'll notice is the pair of bi-xenon headlamps with integrated LED daytime running lights. Cornering lights are also integrated into the front bumper. Under the headlights is the triple blade design grille. And a closer look at the Audi single frame grille. Parking sensors are also built into the front bumper. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with a 19-inch double spoke fork aluminum wheels with 235/30 performance tires. Behind the wheel is the set of ventilated brake discs with a huge brake caliper for faster stopping. Brake caliper are painted in shiny black with R8 lettering on it. Looks very sporty. Body colored side view mirror with LED turn signal indicator. And here's a look to the top. Side vent. Rear wheels are also 19 inches and come stacked in with 305/30 performance tires as well. Behind the rear wheel is also the ventilated brake disc with the large brake caliper painted in black with R8 lettering on it. It also comes with 4-wheel anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, electronic stability control, traction control, as well as brake assist. To the back, you see the stylish LED tail light with integrated LED turn signal light, as well as LED brake light. Very stylish tail light. Under the tail light, you see the quad blade design grille to match with the front. Quad round chrome tip exhausts are also built into the rear bumper with dual sound mode. Parking sensors are also built into the rear bumper. And there's the rear diffuser. Rear view camera is located above the license plate and will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And there's the retractable spoiler. Third LED brake light on top. Beautiful engine. And a second look at the retractable spoiler. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote, I have the lock, trunk release, and unlock buttons. and press the Chrome button to release the key. Panic button on the side. Audi logo on the back. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The exterior color is known as Phantom Black Pearl, featuring a full black leather interior and beautiful silver aluminum trims all around. Very sporty interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, insert the key into the key ignition located on the right and turn it to start. So the hood is located on the rear. So let's pop the hood and see what the 2009 Audi R8 have to offer. Under the hood is a 4.2 liter V8 FSI engine, 32 valve DOHC with variable valve control, quattro all-wheel drive system, 6-speed automatic transmission with auto shift and direct fuel injection, pushing out 420 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. Top track speed is electronically limited at 187 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 13 city and 20 highway. Very impressive engine. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with silver aluminum trims on it. Door lock and unlock. Gas release button and trunk release button. Both windows are fully automatic. And there's the storage compartment. All 8 aluminum door seal. And there's the sport pedals. Here is a closer look at the seat. Both front seats are heavily bolstered and offer plenty of support. And both front seats offer 10-way power adjustable front seat, including 4-way power lumbar support. And behind each front seat, there's a storage space behind it, so just pull the lever to get access to that space. The 3-spoke flat bottom design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather. Looks and feel really nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the steering wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. And there's the windshield wiper controlled, turn signal light controlled, and here's a look at the gauge. Cruise controlled. Steering wheel does feature manual tilt and telescopic steering column. Over to the left you have the light controlled, instrument light controlled, and the driver side air vent. And a closer look at the dash. Now this particular model also comes with the optional Bang & Olufsen surround sound system that feature 12 speakers, which pushes out 465 watts of total output, plus a subwoofer that will blow you and your passenger away with the sound experience. Okay, located on the center stack you have the large multimedia screen. And you can use the knob in the middle to move around screen. And press it in to select. Very nice sound. There you have your FM, AM, CD, and SD, name, telephone, navigation,
calculating route,
info,
calculating route,
car, and that button to retract the screen. Very easy to use. Volume controlled and on and off. Down there you have your dual climate control. And here's the gearbox with all 8 lettering on it. Alright, just put into reversed, and once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the multimedia screen with guidance line. It will also move as you turn the wheel for a much easier backup. Alright, put it into drive, and you can always use the steering wheel mounted paddle shifter to switch gears. There you have your sport mode, suspension setting, emergency hazard light, and the retractable spoiler buttons, parking on and off, parking sensor on and off. And here's the ashtray and the cigarette lighter, parking brake, dual cup holder, center storage compartment with auxiliary input, and there's your CD changer, glove box compartment, and a closer look at the seat with great upholstery material. Alright, on top you have your light control and the 3-button universal garage door opener. And here's the rear view mirror. Sun visor mirror. Now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. So the trunk in the R8 is located in the front. And it does look like it offers quite a bit of cargo space, which you can put small groceries and personal items in it. There you have the 12-volt power outlet. And it looks like you have your windshield washer fluid on the left. And let's see what we have under here. Your tire kit and your tool. Alright, let's pop the gas cap. Gas cap is located on the passenger side. It is made with all aluminum. And it does require premium unleaded fuel only. Also have all 8 lettering on it. And it holds approximately 23.8 gallons of fuel. Overall, the Audi R8 is a super sport car with exotic styling inside out. It offers seating for 2 with great upholstery material, and top-notch material are used inside the Audi R8. Now let's get into the passenger seat and see how it is in the passenger seat. So sitting are very low in the R8, which is a great thing because it is a super sport car. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2009 Audi R8. Go ahead and leave me a comment, letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.